EMV, which is an electric maintenance vehicle, is a reconfigurable robot for yard and driveway maintenance. It sets out to improve upon the previous designs, which utilized a skid steer drive system and a differential drive system. 4 high-torque electric motors power this vehicle, along with an articulating linear actuator to control the steering. The frame is constructed of durable and strong 1-inch square steel tubing. This is to improve the traction in snow and to improve the lifespan of the vehicle. This vehicle utilizes a quick attachment system to effortlessly attach the plow for clearing snow in the winter, the mowing deck for cutting grass in the summer, and a spreader to distribute salt and fertilizer. This is all controlled through a wireless radio controller. The 4 onboard batteries supply the motors with enough torque to tackle most snowfalls and provide a runtime of 45 minutes. All this with the top speed of 2 meters per second.